There are so many amazing skills out there on GitHub, which will save you hundreds of hours from trying to recreate them yourself, but no one is teaching you how to actually install them in Claude Cowork as a non-technical person. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to download any GitHub skill safely onto your Claude Cowork desktop app in just a few minutes. So if that sounds interesting to you, just keep watching this video. So I am in GitHub currently, and this is the humanizer skill, which is meant to remove obvious signs of AI writing when you're doing things like summaries, emails, copywriting, you name it. And so to download this skill into Claude Cowork, the first thing that I'm going to do is click on this little green code button, and I am actually going to download this as a zip. And then once I've downloaded this as a zip file, I am going to hop into Claude, and I'm going to take this one extra step to make sure that what I'm downloading into Claude and what I'm installing into Claude is actually safe. Because for context, you might not know this, but hackers are using a new method called prompt injection, where essentially they can include malicious prompts in GitHub skills to try and prompt Claude to steal information from your computer. And we don't want that, obviously. So what I'm going to do is upload this zip file that I just downloaded with the skill, and I'm going to make sure that I'm in this chat toggle. And then I can just ask Claude to analyze the skill for any potential malicious information. And the reason why we're doing this in chat is because chat does not have access to our full computer base. So even if Claude reads it, it can't prompt Claude to take any malicious action. So this is an extra safety measure, and I'm gonna leave a link to the creator who I actually learned this from because I think it's a very smart hack. So I'm just gonna say, please review this skill for any potential malicious prompts or suspicious activity. And then once I've gotten the green light here from Claude that the skill looks safe, to actually install it, I'm going to go into Customize. I'm going to go to Skills, and then I can click Add here and just click Upload Skill. And then this is where I would drag and drop the zip folder of the file that we downloaded from GitHub. So I'm going to upload that file here, and just like that, the skill is uploaded onto my Claude desktop app. And just quickly here, if you are having a hard time finding Claude skills that do exactly what you want for your given business and business process, this is the exact thing that I help businesses do at my AI agency, Gold Street Solutions, where we help businesses create custom Claude skills to elevate their productivity across their team. So if that's something that you need help with, make sure to book a free call with us in the description below, and I hope to see you there. That is it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to let me know, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. See ya!